Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And so what I'm be doing is going over this new company that just launched a couple of days ago. It's called Livegood. All right, and I'm going to be going over this compensation plan. Now, it says here, according to this, you could earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever recruiting a single person. That is true, but I do recommend that you get people into this program. That way you could even earn more money, and I'll go over that here in a minute here. So the weekly fast start commissions, okay, the fast start bonus. So every person you bring in as an affiliate and a member, they're gonna it's gonna cost them $49.95 the first month. And then what will happen is you'll be rewarded with a $25 commission paid out every week on each person that you bring into the system, okay? Yeah, each person that you enroll in Livegood, all right? And here's um, the chart for the fast start commissions, okay? So level one is 50% unranked, so that's all the way across the board. So level two, you could earn on up to, hold on, let me go down here. So up to 10 levels you could earn. So on you could earn on level two on the bronze, um, up to 10%, and then silver, up to 5%, all the way down to, well, 50% on your level one, 10% on your level two, 5% on level three, and then 5 on level four. Okay. So and then you'll go and so on each other level. The more you upgrade in rank or get ranked, the more people you bring in. Okay, so it just increases after that. Okay, all the way up to level 10. All right, and then weekly fast start commissions are paid out on the first month of membership and on the $40 affiliate sign up fee. Okay, so you'll receive $5 for any new member that you refer, plus $20 for any new affiliates you refer. Okay. Now, this is the matrix commissions, and that's where what I was referring to earlier. You'll make money regardless of whether you bring people in or not, according to the compensation plan. Now, disclaimer is um, earnings are not guaranteed. Okay, so it just you'll get into whatever you put into the program. Okay, so and here is the matrix. So you're going to earn 2.5% on each member, okay, up to 15 levels deep, okay. Now for unranked, okay, it only goes up. It's your matrix is only going to be 2 by 12, okay. And then here's what I was referring to earlier. Even even if you stay unranked, it says here that you'll earn up to $2,047.50 per month. But if you get more people in and get up in rank, so you can see it increases double fold, okay, up to $16,383.50. All right. And then here is you get your matching bonuses. That means anybody you bring in personally enrolled, you'll earn commissions matching bonus on that too, like 25% of whatever they make. So if they make $10,000 in a month, you'll earn 25% of that, for example. Okay, and here is the chart here. So for the bronze, it's 50%, silver 50% on level one, gold, platinum, and diamond all 50% on level one. Second generation, you'll earn 20% on all the silver, gold, platinum, diamond levels. Okay, so that's the matching bonuses. And that's another way you could earn. All right. You could also earn on retail commissions. Okay. That means if you refer anyone to buy our products, our health products, and other merchandise, you earn on that as well too. 50% commissions on level one, and that goes up to 10 levels deep as well too. Okay, so what I would do is, oh, actually, before I get off here, so there's an influencer bonus as well too. So for affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a larger scale, so they also will pay you for that as well. And then there's a diamond pool as well. That's for affiliates that are a huge part of success of our company, and they'll give you a reward 2% of total company sales every month. So that's actually really good as well too. Now, if you are interested in at least securing your free spot and taking a tour, go ahead and click the link below.